Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll tell you how to make double crochet. I make this chain because you cannot make any double crochet or single crochet without this chain. First you have to make chain. So I make this chain just randomly, no count, just to teach you how to make double crochet. So I have to turn now, and you can have as many stitches as you are required, and then if you want to turn, then you will chain two. For double crochet you will make two extra chains like this, 1 and 2, and now you will turn. Just twist the thread like this, and after two chains like 1 and 2 you will make double crochet like this. So there are three threads on top of the crochet, as you can see. So you will make like this, take out from the two threads, and then take out these through, it will become one. Again twist, and then go to the next chain like this. As you can see, there are three threads on the crochet. Now you will drop the first one, and then again twist, and then drop the other two like this. Again twist the thread like this, and go to the next chain like this. Here. This tutorial is for the beginners, as you can see. If anyone is new, you can see this video. So to the next chain you will twist the thread on the crochet, and then you will go to the next chain like this, and bring the wool like this here. Again there are three loops or three here. Now you will drop the first two like this here, and then the next two here like this. So keep doing like this till the end. Each and every chain you will have to make double crochet. This is called double crochet. Yeah. See, like this. This is called double crochet. First only chains like this, and in these chains you are going to make double crochet here. So keep doing like this till the end. See, first one loop is here, then you will twist the thread like this. There are two loops now, and then you will make another chain from the next chain like this. Bring the wool out again, and there are three loops now. Now first you will drop the two chains, and then you will drop the other two chains like this. keep doing till the end. Here, these are the last stitches. This is the last chain now, like this. Here, it's like this. See? I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe me, like me, share me, and follow me. Thank you.